This video depicts real police activity and may be difficult for some viewers to watch. In law enforcement, danger can erupt in seconds, even during a simple patrol stop.
I don't have no records,
This footage released by the LAPD shows how a routine encounter at a late-night Mini-Mart turned into a high-risk confrontation.
Get back.
Around 1:10 a.m., Southwest Division officers were conducting extra patrol along West Jefferson Boulevard when they noticed several individuals outside a liquor store. One man stepped out, then abruptly went back inside, drawing the officers' attention to a possible concealed weapon. They stopped and entered the store to make contact. Inside, the suspect appeared hunched over near the candy display. Acting overly focused on the shelves, the officer issued commands, noticing what looked like a firearm concealed beneath the man's shirt and waistband. There's no audio here, but the officer's body language shows clear caution as the suspect resists cooperating. After several commands and time to comply, the officers moved in to detain him, and the suspect made the critical decision to reach for his weapon, initiating the violent confrontation that followed.
I don't have no records,
Relax.
I
Just calm down, bro.
Hold on.
Good. Get out. Get back. Three shots fired off, so Jefferson and 9th Ave.
This slowed-down segment shows the exact moment the suspect drew his weapon, triggering an exchange of gunfire inside the store. Adding to the chaos, customers began walking in just as the situation escalated, completely unaware of the danger about to unfold. Officers immediately responded, moving to cover as rounds passed through the shelves and store merchandise, turning the narrow aisles into a hazardous space. Without taking deliberate aim, the suspect continued firing toward the entrance in the officer's direction, placing everyone inside the store in extreme danger. Amid the unfolding gunfire, officers held their fire to allow the innocent bystander to safely exit the store.
Get back.
Seconds later, the suspect approached the front door. Still firing as his weapon ran empty, he then fled the store and ran down the street as officers called for backup and began establishing a containment perimeter.
Suspect's gonna be a male, black over black, he's gonna be running eastbound on Jefferson from 9th Ave.
A responding unit found the suspect hiding behind a parked vehicle nearby.
Hey, you! Hey! Sir! Hey, I got one right here at the red vehicle. Hey, he's behind the red car.
Hey, we see you!
Hey, I see you! Put your hands up! Yeah.
Unit who put out a suspect in the east-west valley, come up. 3-1, it was...
Hands up! I'm getting stepped over. Turn away. Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Stop. 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 Turn around. All right. Turn around. Turn around.
Turn around.
He's not being detained. They weren't able to make contact.
What do you want, 7th?
7th, south of 30.
2871. I have a possible suspect in custody. 7th. South of 30th.
Y'all shot me.
Any units on 8th Avenue, can you come to my location?
Spread your feet.
Better location. 7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
Let's get an RA real quick.
Can I get an RA for a male, approximately 30 years of age, conscious and breathing, suffering from a GSW to the left arm? Yeah.
Where are you at with that suspect?
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue.
7th Avenue. Fuck.
The suspect had been struck in the arm and appeared to have applied a makeshift tourniquet. Officers quickly applied a proper one and provided medical care until medics arrived.
Yep.
You're within our rate location.
Okay. Okay.
Primary, come up. Hello.
I got him. Go ahead.
What are the chances of additionals? Was this guy alone? Was he in a car? Give us some details. She was on foot. She was on
Where?
The suspect was later taken to a hospital for treatment of a gunshot wound. He was absentee booked for 2 counts of attempted murder on a peace officer and 1 count of being a felon in possession of a firearm. Investigators recovered a 9mm semi-automatic pistol with a locked slide and high-capacity magazine. Multiple vehicles, including a police unit, showed bullet impacts, but no officers or bystanders were injured. This incident shows how quickly a calm encounter can shift into a critical threat. Officers frequently encounter the challenging responsibility of identifying potential danger, making rapid decisions, and safeguarding the public, even during seemingly ordinary street patrols. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow so we can continue bringing you high-risk police incidents and the split-second decisions officers face.